Once upon a time there was me and this girl. She was everything to me, she was my whole world. I let love think me and who we're meant to be, but we were one couple people fucking hated to see. They said she was a whore right from the start, but I still let the bitch go and break my heart. I let everything go just to be with that hoe, when I should've said no and told her to go. Should've left her alone, can't change the past. People told me so, but really thought it would last. I threw everything we had, don't want it back. Never once got sad when I made this track. Gonna live my life to the fullest, no stopping. See me walk by with bottles popping, nothing left for me to spare. So fuck you, girl, I don't even care, huh? Life ain't perfect, we all made mistakes, they're never forgotten. In Reindeer Lake, I dropped out of school and I just stayed home. I fell in love, but I'm happy alone. Get high all day and party all night. Get into a fight or just sit tight. Don't stop to think when I start to drink. Need to down some beers to forget my fears. Had a rough few years, cried all my tears. My life's a mess and I'm kinda depressed. Big hole in my chest and my heart's supposed to rest. I'm going insane inside from all the pain I had. Times I hate my life, slip my wrist with a knife, but I gotta stay strong, gotta keep moving on. Don't wanna do something wrong, Lord knows how long. So just pour me a cup before I decide to give up. Keeping a positive thought to what Makumushu taught. His whole life he fought for everything we got. To dedicate this to you for all you went through. May you rest in peace, dear Grandpa Pachis. He had a really hard life after losing his wife, but he never gave up, he got right back up. He taught us respect, how to check the neck, how to stand our ground. He was always around, strongest man I knew. 5 years just flew, can't believe he's gone. His memory lives on through his kids and us. Only person I could trust, even at his worst. We always came first, loved the time you shared. You showed you cared, you were like our dad. You gave us all you had. In my heart you will remain, with my mother Jane, until we meet again, my old friend, amen.